Welcome back. This is tutorial 8, and this tutorial is all about you getting the hinge that you'll need to make your box work. So you don't have to actually draw the hinge. I've done it for you, and all you have to do is get it. So where is the hinge is the question. Well, the first thing you want to do is, I'll just show you my data panel here. In my data panel, I have the tutorial prep file, which was this one that I'm using to show you how this is all going to end up. I have the box number 2, which is this one, which is the one we're working on at the moment. And I also have the hinge file, which is this one. This is the file you're looking for, is this hinge file that we're going to need to make, well, the box work. So the way to do that is to head up to the top of your design window here to File and hit the little arrow beside it. And in here, we are going to upload something. So we're going to click there. And then we're going to head to select a file. And the file you're going to find, and it's already found it for me, but the file is under the H drive, School Share, and then under Maker Woodwork Students. Double click. Inside there is Woodwork 10. And inside there are the Fusion design files that I've given you. So click. And there's only one at the moment. It's called Hinges. And we click. Now it's saying, hey, I found the file. Where would you like to put it? Well, mine's going to go into my miter box project. You can change the location by clicking there and put it where you want. Hopefully you've got your project being saved somewhere. Hit upload. It gives me a little status and it's complete. We hit close. Now if I go back to my data panel, you'll see that a new hinge has been uploaded at this time now. So I'm not going to need that one because I already have it, so I'm now going to just delete it. And there we go. That's all you have to do to get the hinge. And then what do you do once you have it? Well, you head back to your box. You pick bottom because that's where I wanted to associate the hinge. I mean, it doesn't matter too much, but that's what we're going to pick. We're going to make bottom active. We're going to drag the hinge into the design space. And there's the hinge. There's our first one. Now notice that the hinge has a little link shown here. That means it's linked to the original drawing that I made. So if yours is linked, we're going to right click. Oh, first of all, before we go any further, we're just going to push OK over here to the bringing in of the hinge. And now we're going to break this link. So we're going to right click on the hinge. We're going to find break link. And now the link capture position is a link unto it, or is a hinge unto itself. The hinge is a hinge unto itself in your design. And now we can move this around. And hopefully, if everything's working, we'll be able to have it swing as we want to. That's it. That's bringing in the hinge. And the next one will have you actually insert the hinge into the box.